5 facts about camping in an RV that you need to know. Fact number 1. Choose a floor plan that you can actually use with the slides in. The most important thing for us is access to the fridge and this pantry, which we have. Fact number 2 is that you only will load 200 to 300 pounds in the camper is a lie. You're lying to yourself, and anybody that tells you that is also lying. I have never met anybody that only loaded 200 to 300 pounds inside the camper. Case in point. Junk. 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 More junk. Fact of the matter is, if you're trying to guess how much your camper is going to be weighing loaded, take 1,500 pounds and add it to the dry weight. That's probably ballparkish where you're going to be. Fact number 3. Before you buy your camper, make sure you actually fit in the shower. Fortunately, this one's pretty tall. Sometimes they're very small. So if you're of the plus size variety, you may want to reconsider the model. The next fact has to do with camper beds. Your travel trailer fifth wheel is going to come with a terrible bed. Yes, and by the way, whenever you lay down and take a video, you do look like Jabba the Hutt. So we'll sit up. So, your camper bed is going to be terrible. Yes, I know you're going to pay the extra $1,000 or whatever for the super high-tech bed. Whenever you get on it, it's still probably going to be pretty bad. If you're fortunate, maybe you'll get a mattress that actually works for you. But for 99.8% of you that are buying RVs, whether travel trailer, fifth wheel, or motorhomes, you are going to have pretty much a terrible mattress. So what you're going to end up doing is buying a mattress topper. I'll link to one in the description below. Sealy makes some really nice ones, and so does Tempur-Pedic. FYI. The 5th fact that I have for you is actually a reality. You will have to either set up, tear down, or both in the dark. So you might as well get used to it. You're going to be hitching, you're going to be setting up, and you're going to be tearing down at some point in the dark. If you can find a time whenever it's dark, not so cold, and also raining, and your flashlight's only half working, that's an even better time to practice. You will be setting up in the dark. These are 2 essential tools that I use to set up in the dark. This is supposed to be a flashlight, but it's not. This is the lantern for my Cobalt. Works awesome. Comes right over here to where the hitch is, and bam, I can see everything. Bonus fact, this is supposed to be fun and relaxing, so don't stress out too much about it. Have fun. You'll figure this stuff out on your own. The stuff you don't figure out, you'll break and you'll replace, and then you'll have it figured out. I hope you guys have fun out there. If you have any specific questions about camping, RVing, I have a travel trailer. I can't really help you with a fifth wheel, but I can help you with questions on your travel trailer and a truck. If you got any questions, let me know down in the comments. I do have a couple affiliate links to some Amazon products that I use with my travel trailer and my truck. So if you are interested in any of those, please check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all have an amazing day. Extra bonus fact, your power tongue jack will become a very manual tongue jack at the most inappropriate times. Better get used to it.